Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Python is actually installed on your machine. Run Python version or pi-3. Once you know it's installed, make sure the installer added Python to path or rerun the installer and check add to path. Then open VS Code and install the official Python extension. After adjusting path or installing the extension, restart VS Code so it picks up environment changes. This prevents the common Python was not found disconnect. You now choose the interpreter inside VS Code. Open the command palette and run Python. Select interpreter, then pick the exact Python, exe or virtualenv you use. If it isn't listed, add the full path to Python. Exe or create a venv in your project and select it. Make sure workspace settings reflect that interpreter, and if needed, set Python path in a env file. This ensures VS Code and its debugger launch the same Python runtime you intended. You finish by running a simple script in the integrated terminal and using the debugger to confirm everything works. If you still see the error, inspect your system path, the shell profile like bashrc or PowerShell profile, and VS Code's terminal shell setting. Mismatched shells can hide path changes. If necessary, reinstall Python using the installer's Add to Path option and reselect the interpreter in VS Code. This usually resolves lingering Python was not found.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.